Welcome to the world of quirky quokkas. Quokkas are so cute. They're like tiny kangaroos hopping around on their strong back legs. These adorable animals live in Australia and have a big appetite for plants. They munch on grass and leaves, and they also like fruits and vegetables. Yummy! Quokkas are very friendly and not afraid of people at all. They often come close to say hello. What a happy little friend. Now, let's explore the realm of royal rattlesnakes. Rattlesnakes are amazing snakes with a unique feature, a rattle on their tail. This rattle makes a buzzing sound to warn people to stay away. Typically, rattlesnakes are brown or gray with dark diamond patterns on their backs, which help them blend in with their surroundings. Remember, rattlesnakes are venomous, and their bite can be dangerous, but they only bite if they feel threatened. It's best to admire them from a safe distance. Moving on to the sleepy sloths. Sloths are the slowest mammals on Earth, spending most of their time hanging upside down and sleeping for up to 20 hours a day. They live in the rainforests of Central and South America. With their long claws, they are experts at gripping branches and climbing trees. As herbivores, sloths eat leaves, fruits, and buds. They move so slowly that algae can even grow on their fur. Finally, let's dive into the world of tasty tapirs. Tapirs are large mammals with a long snout, looking like a mix between a pig and an elephant. You can find them in South America, Central America, and Southeast Asia. As herbivores, they feast on leaves, fruits, and aquatic plants, using their long snout to grab food and sniff out danger. Tapirs love to swim and can stay underwater for a long time, using their snout as a snorkel. Uakaris are monkeys with bright red faces. They live in the Amazon rainforest. They are excellent climbers and spend most of their time in trees. Uakaris are frugivores, which means they eat mostly fruits. Their strong teeth help them crack open hard nuts and seeds. Uakaris have very short tails. Unlike other monkeys, they don't use their tails for balance. They are quite unique. Vultures are large birds of prey. They have sharp beaks and talons. They are known for their scavenging habits. They play an important role in the ecosystem. Vultures have a keen sense of smell. They can soar high in the sky and detect carrion from miles away. They help keep the environment clean by consuming dead animals. Vultures have bald heads. This helps them stay clean when they feed on carrion. It's a practical adaptation for their unique lifestyle. Section 7. Wonderful walruses. Walruses are large marine mammals with long tusks and whiskers. They inhabit the cold, icy regions of the world and are excellent swimmers. Walruses use their tusks for many things: for defense, to haul themselves out of the water, and to break through ice. Their whiskers help them find food in murky waters. Walruses are very social animals, living in large groups called herds. They communicate with each other using a variety of grunts and whistles. Section 8. Xenial xeris. Xeris, or African ground squirrels, are known for their long bushy tails. They are very social animals that live in burrows and are active during the day. Xeris are omnivores, eating seeds, fruits, insects, and small vertebrates. They use their bushy tails for balance and signaling. Xeris are very good at digging, creating elaborate burrows with multiple entrances and chambers. They are experts at surviving in harsh environments. Section 9. Yawning yellow tangs. Yellow tangs are bright yellow fish that make their homes in coral reefs. They are popular in aquariums, very active, and swim gracefully. Yellow tangs are herbivores grazing on algae growing on coral reefs, helping keep the coral clean and healthy. They are important members of the reef ecosystem. Yellow tangs have sharp spines on their tails, used for defense against predators. They are a beautiful and fascinating fish. Section 10. Zany zebras. Zebras are beautiful animals with black and white stripes, each zebra boasting a unique stripe pattern. No two zebras are exactly alike. They live in Africa, are very social, and live in herds. They graze on grass and other vegetation, constantly on the move looking for food and water. Zebras are very fast runners, capable of reaching speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. Their stripes help them confuse predators when they run in a group.